In this video, I'm going to show you 10 cool features of the Google Docs that I like that make our work simple. The first one I'm going to show you is the drop-down list. I want a drop-down. I maybe have a question and I want someone to select from a list or in the drop-down to respond to my question. So what I do to insert the drop-down, I go to Insert, look for drop-down, click on it, say new, and give it a template name, maybe fruit 2. Then there I add my option. My first option is oranges, apples. My second option is orange. And my third option is mango. So when I do that, give it a color, maybe different colors if I want, which is very cool, so that people can know that when you see red, you know that's a red apple. And there are different options here. You can drag. If you don't want an option that you have added, you can click on that, delete it. If you want to add more options, there's this new option that you can click adding and you type your options. If everything is fine, you need to click save. And when you do that, you can see my options are added right there and I can change them the way I want. So put apples, oranges, and mangoes. So that's a very cool feature which helps in quick data entry in your Google Docs. The next feature I like is the checklist. I have a checklist of here. My fruits here, I need to click them off. So what I do format, then bullets and numbering, click on checklist, then it will bring this, it will insert checkboxes beside each of those items that I highlighted. The next thing is now if I'm eating and I'm ticking off what I'm eating, what will happen is I'll tick it apples, finish, strike through apples, go to the oranges, and go to mangoes. So this is how it works. So by ticking it off, you can easily know that this one is completed. So it can also work as a to-do list. The next feature number 3 that I like is about if I type a word all the time and I want to save time inputting that word, and I'll create a shortcut which when I type into my Google Docs document, the full item will be added. So if you don't understand what I mean, this is what I mean. Go to Tools, write down here their preferences, type there, click there. Then we have substitutions. In other words, we have shortcuts here that are substituted for particular words. Now, if at all I want to type, this is a man, this is a man. I just type the first letters, and when I type that those first 3 letters, I want the full item to be typed. This is a man. When I do that, remember, don't forget this TIAM. Then I say, okay. Now, when I go and I want to type, this is a man right there, I will not do it the usual way, but I'll use my abbreviations. This is a man. Hit enter, and the sentence is added right there. So this way I can easily and fastly enter my information. It helps me type faster. So it is good if there's a word that is continuously repeated in your document and you want to be fast, this is the way to go. The next feature number 4 that I like is the @ symbol. If you use the @ symbol it shows you a number of options. So what I do, I enter the art. So it gives me the email addresses. I can refer to other Google Docs documents to my inbox. I can link to a Google Sheets document if I click there. And I can also add today's date. If I want today's date, then it adds it there. So it's a fast way, again, of linking different Google documents, adding today's date and the rest. Feature number 5 that I like is the offline mode. So if you are using Google Docs, probably you always use it. All you need to do is go under File, then make available offline. Then right there, click on that. See a message, document now available offline. So you can continue using your document, typing into your document when you are offline. However, there are some features, be aware, that may not work when you are in the offline mode. Make it online again, you go back to File and write down here, remove offline, and it will say no longer available offline. So it will be online and you continue working normally. That is another feature that I like. Another fast feature for entering information in Google Docs, which is my feature number 6, is called voice typing. All we do, we go under Tools, right down here, we have voice typing, click on it. So firstly, what you have to do, you have to go where you want to type what you speak. After that, you need to click on this microphone here to start you off. So when I click on that, as I talk to you right now, you'll see that words are being typed on my screen without me typing on the keyboard. This is quite wonderful feature of Google Docs. If I am done, I'll go back and click on this feature once again. So when I do that, now you can see it saved you a lot of time. I don't know how many keyboard times I would have typed on my keyboard to get those words in this document. They could be quite many, so it's a handy way of doing it. However, be aware that sometimes it may miss out words, but still you can go back and edit, but it will have done the major work for you. So that is my feature number 6. Feature number 7 is suggestion mode. And the way this one works is similar to in a Word document. If you want to track changes you have made to a document. So to do that, to put it in the suggestion mode, in the upper right corner right there, if you click on that drop down, you're going to see suggesting. Click on suggesting. So whatever I type here is a suggestion. And it is tracked on the side there. Now, if I share this document with someone else, they can either accept the suggestion by clicking on the tick mark or reject the suggestion by clicking the X. So quite a handy feature if you are sharing documents. So I'll remove that there. And my feature number 8 is the virtual signature. I want to done my work, completed everything. The last thing I want to do is sign off this document virtually. So how do I do that? I'll go under Insert, then look for Drawings, and Insert, then Drawings. It is to demonstrate how to add a virtual signature after I've done all the work, and now I just want to add a signature to it. Using my Google Docs, I'll go to Insert, then Drawings, and then New. It will bring this dialog right here. Click on the line there and you see Scribble. So now I can start signing my signature, make it cool like so. And after that, say save and close. When I do that, it will add it to my document and I will resize it. I can do further edits if I want. And there are various options here that you can explore. You can even rotate and increase the size. That is feature number 8. Feature number 9 I want to show you is called pageless. Right now, my document has 7 pages, and these lines show you where the page stops and where the next page starts. So for some reason, if I do not want these pages and I want to make it a pageless document, in other words, a document without pages, all I have to do is go under File, Page Setup. Right there is the word pageless. Click on pageless and say OK, and all your pages will go away and they will not show into your document, and you'll be working on this document as one. If I want to bring them back, File, Page Setup, click on Pages this time, say OK, and my pages will be right back, as you can see right there. The last feature I want to demonstrate again is if I want to refer to someone, I do a comment and I want that person to get an email and respond to my comment, I can use the @ symbol, put the email address right there. Right now it is saying this document is not shared, so I can share with this guy right here, and then this person will receive a notification saying that, hey, on a particular document, you have a comment that you need to address. When they click on that email link, then they will come to this document, respond to the comment. Very handy if you are sharing documents. Those are the 10 features. I hope you have liked them. And if you have do like them, I think you need to subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification button to see more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day. See you in the next video.